Hello, guys. Welcome back to Auto Talk TV. Today, we're diving deep into a motorcycle that needs no introduction. The legendary Ducati 1098. This Italian masterpiece is a raw, unfiltered expression of power and style. Let's explore what makes it so special. The 1098's design is a work of art. Its aggressive lines and muscular stance scream performance. The trellis frame, a Ducati signature, is a masterpiece of engineering and aesthetics. And let's not forget that iconic single-sided swing arm, a true head-turner. Under the hood, we find a 1098cc L-twin engine that delivers a heart-pounding 160 horsepower. This engine is a symphony of power and torque, propelling the 1098 to exhilarating speeds. The sound it produces is pure poetry, a symphony of mechanical harmony. 1098 isn't just about raw power, it's about the pure joy of riding. The lightweight chassis and razor-sharp handling make it a dream to ride on both the street and the track. Every twist of the throttle is a thrill, every turn a dance. The Ducati 1098 is a timeless classic, a motorcycle that captures the essence of Italian passion and engineering. It's a machine that demands respect and rewards its rider with an unforgettable experience. If you're looking for a pure, unadulterated riding experience, the 1098 is the bike for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, please like and subscribe this channel, Auto Talk TV, and get more videos.